Sanjeevanites and the families of Sanjeevanites. Welcome to the common room of Sanjeevan. Please let's close our eyes and imagine as if we are sitting in the common room, and instead of having Binata Gitmala, we are going to have Mandar today. We are going to have Mandar talking to us and sharing his life story, which is going to be very exciting. We already know about him, and he's going to come in a serial, Tara Rani. Very soon we'll be seeing him on TV screen also. And before this, I want to know that all this has happened. I want to emphasize that all this is happening. Our common room has taken this shape mainly because we have entered the centennial year. Our Sanjeevan Vidyalaya, our school, our love, the first love of a child is this boarding school. And that has entered the centennial year, and we are very happy about it. There are many batches. We are so excited that they have come together, formed their groups, had their meetings, and they have donated things like some batch has donated 30 lakh rupees, some batches donate 50 lakh rupees in the form of work for the school, and some batches have started with doing construction work, repairing work in the school, and the love for the school is forever. So I would like to make an appeal to each and every person who hears this video, even after this on the YouTube recording. Please open your heart, make yourself lovable and loved by the school. You love the school, and the school also loves you. Please listen to the call of your school and do donate a substantial amount for the school for the centennial year. You are all aware that your school needs a lot of things. There are 3 projects for which the school has sent an appeal, and we need to make sure that our school's dreams are fulfilled. So let us all remember to donate substantially to the school. And with this, now I would like to go over to, now Kavita is also coming. So I think I will first say hi to Kavita, and then I will hand over to Mandar. Kavita, are you online? Can you say hi,
Yes.
Kavita?
Hi, hello. Hello,
Hi.
all of you.
Hi, Kavita. Hi. I would like to know where you are on my screen. I just don't know. Vidya Yadgi. Vidya Yadgi is also here. Kavita. Yes, here is Kavita. So
Yeah, hello.
the better half of Mandar is here. So first, let us say hi to Kavita. You are doing a great job encouraging your husband, supporting him in everything that he does. And this line is not an easy line. There are a lot of difficulties, especially with the lockdown. Things had been very bad. So you are a brave lady behind Mandar. Most welcome to be here on the group, and please keep coming again and again on our video. Give us your support. Now I'm going to hand over to your husband. Just say if you want to say something.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for inviting Mandar and all of us.
Thank you very much. Okay, it's a pleasure. And now I'm going to hand over to Mandar. Mandar,
yeah.
With this,
Yes.
Please take over. And if you want to share anything, you can do that also. Now, everybody else, please mute your mics. And you can.
Thank you so much, Deepak ji. Thank you very much for inviting me here. And with this platform, I'm able to see my old colleagues from my school. They were so young, and still they are looking so young. I'm very happy to see you. Some of them I know by names, and some of them I already know them because physically they were in front of me during our the batches. So I'm Mandar. I'm a pass out from 1985 batch. I joined when I was in 5th standard, and I completed my 10th there in school. First of all, congratulations to all of us and our school for being in this centenary year. And we are doing so many activities. And this is one of the activities, Deepak ji, I appreciate you to initiate, that brings us together always. And please keep it up. And I encourage you all and you, Deepak ji, to bring in people who are able to come to this platform and talk about them, so we understand them also. Thank you very much once again, and I thank you all for being here to listen to me. So let me begin about myself. I have, first of all, I would say I'm very blessed to be a Sanjeevanite, because my journey, whatever it is today, it is all because of Sanjeevan. I will give you a proper explanation for that, why I say. Because I'll begin with my passion of acting in this from the school days, not even on this my school days, but before joining also the school, I had a passion of acting. I used to do some small plays here when I was in Kolhapur. I used to participate in some, Ganpati ka jo hai na pandal mein udhar bhi. I used to do some acting there. So it all began there. But then the real encouragement and real gist I got to, what you can say as acceleration, or the trigger, which I got to, the trigger of confidence, I would say, which I got to learn is from Sanjeevan. Because I don't know whether you remember, there was a professor, a teacher called Chavan sir. I don't know how many of you remember. Maybe Ruchira, if you remember, or Jyotiji, if you remember, I don't know, because he had joined later on. I mean, during I think 83 or 84, and he was there for hardly 3 years. Then he left. There, actually, I would say pinpoint Sanjeevan. Why? It ignited my passion, because whenever Chavan sir used to he used to teach us English, and I think history. Yeah. So whenever he had classes, he used to close the class 15 minutes before, because he was so passionate about Shakespeare. He was always, talking about Shakespeare in his lessons. He used to give some examples regarding the Shakespearean plays. And I was fascinated with this dramatics, and I knew hardly about Shakespeare, but I had heard he is a biggest dramatist in the world. So then Chavan sir used to tell the stories about Shakespeare plays, be it Othello, be it Hamlet, be it Macbeth. All of that used to come every day. He used to take at least 10 minutes, and he used to, tell us, please close the books, boys, because I want to talk about Shakespeare and his stories, his plays. So when he narrated Hamlet, I was so fascinated with Hamlet and that character. From there, I thought, why shouldn't I play sometimes Hamlet? Because it fascinated me. Though I did not understand the language, the Shakespearean language is very difficult. And at my age there, I think I was in 5th, 6th standard. So that time I was very, I did not understand that language much. But then after the lecture, I used to go behind him and I used to talk to him at least for 5 minutes. I used to ask him to explain me about this sentence, what you said, who is Shakespeare actually, where can I read Hamlet. Then I went to Jankita teacher in the library to see. Yeah, everybody loves Jankita teacher. I know we love her too. Ashok sir and Jankita teacher always have been our favorites. So I went to the this library, and that was not a library period. We used to have library, and we used to have that 1 hour of library. Then only we were allowed to go there. But I skipped some. I think skipped some period there, and I went there. So I asked Jankita teacher, said, "Why are you here?" So I said, I just wanted to know about Shakespeare. So if I get to read Shakespeare here from your library, I would be very happy. So she said, I don't have that that much material about him, but some books are in that. She numbered the cupboards. There was a specific number, so she asked me to go there and pick up whatever I can see. So there, luckily, I could see Shakespeare, but it was a book wherein every stories were combined comprehensively there in that. So I could read Hamlet as a story there, not as a full script. So I could read that story, and again I was so fascinated. And from there, I used to always ask Chavan sir about Hamlet. Then he used to talk to me in his free time whenever I used to go to the hobby, and whenever I used to see him in the gardening hobby, I used to skip my art hobby and go to him and talk about Hamlet. And he enriched me with the knowledge about Hamlet so much that it really encouraged me one day to play Hamlet. But I realized this is not my age to play Hamlet, because I still don't understand. But from there, I would say the trigger began, and from there I had my ambition. One day I will play Hamlet, and when the time came, I took that script. I was just waiting for that Marathi script to be there, and when I found that Marathi script, and I was ready for the production, I immediately took that as my first production. I did not do any other productions before Hamlet, but I of course acted in so many plays. I got so many awards. This Rajya Natya Spardha you must have heard. So it's a government organized program, this theatre festival. So I acted in so many plays. I got so many awards. And then when time came, I did the production. It was very difficult to do the production, but because of Chavan sir and Sanjeevan, I could research since my childhood. That is what I wanted to say. So this is how it began. Yeah, thank you, Sanjeevan, again. So whenever I have an interview with somebody or talk to, I always talk about. You can see my previous interviews also. I always talk about this story of Chavan sir and me together in the school. So that is how my school has benefited, and I'm sure with all of you also. Not only in terms of this academic, but आपको मालूम है कि whenever we used to tell our college friends at our natives, so they used to आंखें बड़ी हो जाती उनकी, अरे बोर्डिंग स्कूल में पढ़ा है, अरे वो भी संजीवन में, wow. So we used to look after very differently. I'm sure you will be having the same experience, है ना? So that also, yeah, and certainly the bringing up that school has done for us has, enriched us with whatever we are today. Yeah. So that is my story, how it began, and I did that Hamlet. And with this production, I have already done 22 plays. Because of the COVID, we are stuck. From there also, we had some pipeline of the shows, but because of the COVID, we stopped. But we as a team are still intact. Then I did some short films also for Andheri Digital Academy. I acted there. And then I started my own production house called MB Films, wherein I have started to do short films. The recent short film I did is about 42 minutes. It's the name is No Contact. I have written the story, and it has been, I've registered it with the Screenwriters Association, where I'm also a member of. So I do write, I do lighting also, I do lighting designing for stage and films. I act, and whatever to my capacity I produce, that's all. So this is my journey. Now that I am in Mumbai, I always intended to, work in this industry. And now that in Mumbai, I've been auditioned for several roles. And after that, I've been selected for a few TV shows, where one which Deepakji talked about. It's on air from the 15th of November. It's called as Tara Rani. It's a Marathi. It comes on Sony, this Sony Marathi. So my role will be coming in future. I'll let you know about that. But it will be certainly an interesting role. Then there are some auditions which I have done, but the projects have not yet lifted. So this is my story. This is my journey. So I would like to, talk to you also. I just don't want to talk about myself. I would like to interact with you. So if you can.
Great. We are going to have, yes, we are going to have interactions. But please tell me about this lighting. I'm always very much in awe of the people who remember how to put which light and which scene and how to put the correct focus, how to change the lighting. How do you remember all this? The script, you're seeing the script only once or twice.
No, it's a big study. You can't do lighting just like that. And this also inspired, Ashok sir, he used to take care of lighting in our prayer ground area or assembly. Even the projector part was, distributed between Ashok sir and Kumaran sir, if you remember.
Kumaran sir more.
Kumaran sir more. But
sir.
Yeah, both of them, distributed sound, lighting. Ashok sir also used to take care of the sound, even lighting sometimes. So that is where also, Ashok sir comes in. I want to get everybody in the picture, school. So I want to be very relevant to, our school. And then because of I used to do this stage, I was also fascinated with the technique, not only the performance area as a director or as a actor, but even I was very much interested in the technical part of it. One is this lighting. What happened, I got a chance in 1988 to go to Germany, wherein I could see an opera. And I tell you, I never had seen this kind of lighting. There also, somehow I met the technicians there. they did not, encourage me that much there. But I could understand what kind of lighting this is, what kind of lighting that is, and that lighting was not available in India. So when I was prepared once again, when I, I was doing considerable stage, I bought some equipments which I remembered from then, and I imported those equipments and I used for my lighting there, and I did lighting designing, and I think I've got more than 10 awards in lighting. जो भी है राज्य नाट्य स्पर्धा होती है ना, almost every year consecutively 5 years at least I got first and second prize in lighting. So that is also my department. I love that lighting.
Fantastic.
So in the film also, if I will send the link of the film, I would like to have a feedback from you individually. I would like to take numbers from Deepak ji and also have in Sanjeevan Global. So I would like to send the link of my film wherein you can watch, and please interact with me then, and you can give me a feedback of the film. Whether please be very open to the feedback. I don't fear rejections. I don't fear whatever. So I face that, and it is for my self improvement. So I would like to have a feedback from you all after watching the film. And this film has just recently I did in 2020 during the COVID time, the end of the first phase of the COVID, and it has won so many awards nationally and internationally. We won in Prague, we won in Tokyo, Singapore, and Los Angeles, everywhere internationally also. And recently we won Dada Saheb Phalke Award for a special mention of our film.
This is fantastic.
Short film category.
Mandar,
So
please.
this is,
Sorry to interrupt you. Sorry, I
Sure.
want to know your thoughts for the centenary, Sanjeevan centenary. What do you think, and what do you feel? What can be done? What should be the celebration? What you would like to do as an individual?
yeah, I would like to participate in my department certainly. If at all we can get together, and if at all, see, I always wanted to. Ashok Zaveri ji came out with a very good idea. He came out that since you're doing Hamlet, why don't you bring the crew and we'll promote Sanjeevan boards and banners wherever you are going to perform. That was a great idea. But the thing is, I am not able to perform right now because I am in Mumbai and it's very difficult to gather the team right now to perform Hamlet. But that was a fantastic idea. So he wanted to promote that activity, and not only my activity, some musical, so somebody will organize some musical show else in their areas, in their cities. No, not a single city where he is identifying, but any city or the city you belong to. So he wanted all the artists to come together and perform in their areas and record that event, or at least show on the Sanjeevan platform that this event is happening because of Sanjeevan, and it's a promotion of Sanjeevan. So that was also a good idea.
Okay.
And of course, donations is coming from all the ways. That is so whatever possible from. We can't force anybody to get that thing, but whatever possible, that is major required. I mean, these activities will go, that will get us together. Everything will be possible, but the main thing is it has to. We have seen the condition. I'm very sorry to say, because I visited recently also. I felt very bad. Those bricks coming out, and that was very. I really felt sad. You all know. I don't want to explain about that, but that is the situation the school is going on. Once upon a time, it was at the top. Now, hardly people will recommend you. I have surveyed like तीसरा आदमी जो करता है ना वैसे किया कौन सी बेस्ट स्कूल है भाई यहाँ पर so they never took this Sanjeevan name. So that was that should come in front of you. And we should do something apart from the money also, or we should, I don't know. So many ideas will come up from them. But yes, the prime need is to fund them somehow.
Yeah, great. So now people, you can all open your mics and ask questions to Mandar. We can have a very nice interactive time. The meeting will close, but we will again come back and keep talking for as long as we want. Anybody asking questions, please go ahead.
Any artists from your side? Any actors? Your children?
My daughter is a stage manager in Canada. She's in Toronto.
Oh,
she works
great.
in a theatre called Nightwood Theatre, and she works for actually two theatres. One is Nightwood Theatre and one is Theatre Direct.
That's a
Raipur
big
Theatre.
job, Ruchira.
Yes, it is. So she's working as an associate producer and stage manager. So she's stage managed 3 plays in her college work. She did a PG diploma in theatre technicals and stage management.
That's
So she's
great. It's nice to hear.
My daughter's also in the films.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ratnaji,
she's
please let's understand her also here.
No, she's she's done her diploma from Whistling Woods International. And
Yeah.
right now she's working with Siddharth Roy Kapoor movie Taapsee Pannu.
Really?
That movie,
Yes.
they're shooting that one.
I see.
She's worked with this one Gowarikar before. They shot the serial. Gowarikar's only serial was Everest. She was on that project.
Okay.
Oh,
But
that's
she's in the
nice.
production. She's in the
Certainly
production.
have connections.
Yeah.
I want to ask Jyoti ji, why did you carry forward the legacy?
There would have been a landslide crash, yeah, Mandar.
that's you're correct. Very much.
Ratna, what is her screen name? Your daughter? What is her screen name?
Sorry.
What is
Kulkarni.
your screen name? Your daughter's screen name?
No, she's not acting.
Then she's
She's
doing.
a production.
Yes, she's
into
behind the
production.
camera. Okay. She's a
Yeah, but
technician.
what's her first
She's into
name?
the production.
Ruta.
Ruta Kulkarni. Okay, so
Ruta Kulkarni.
hope
Yeah.
to see her films sometime. Sure.
Yeah, they've just launched the movie Wo Ladki Kaun Thi Ya Kahan Thi. That movie's just been launched, Taapsee Pannu, and that I think
Siddharth
third
Kapoor.
guy, no,
Siddharth
Siddharth Kapoor, he's producing. Siddharth
Okay.
Roy Kapoor is producing.
Do send us links. Do post links. And one thing I don't know if everybody knows, Ratna Kulkarni is the founder of the Facebook group Only Sanjeevanites. It's the biggest Sanjeevan group, and I think you must be very proud about your achievement. That's very nice. Yes.
No, the intention was only that all of them should be. It is. I started that in 2009
Okay.
when it was at this phase when Facebook I think had just started getting popular
Yeah.
here in India, and
I thought you may be able to make some announcement. Please tell us what are your recent communications?
So the week-long virtual run is starting from 16th Jan to 23rd. So it's a week-long one. And Shashita, again, she gets some new ideas and she wants us to implement them. But we have to form a team to get physically over there and do the event, because she wants that her idea is to call all the whoever can come to Sanjeevan and stay there and do the last leg of the run over there, run or whatever activity. So it's a virtual run, so you can do it by at your place anywhere. But if anybody is interested to come to Sanjeevan and do it, that option also will be possible.
Oh, great.
So that's what the new.
Can you do one favor? Please post this on Only Sanjeevanites group or on my Facebook page, Sanjeevan Centennial Celebrations page. Post it somewhere so that people will be aware. We don't know the news. People are waiting for news and we are not getting as much as we should.
No, actually, it's not yet solid now because Shashita keeps getting new ideas, So we need to have an actual team to implement it. It's not just, we can't do it remotely also. So some time commitment is also required to be there at school and all.
Yeah.
So I can't do it by myself alone, but I'm going to try and build a team.
Okay,
who
great.
can do it kind of job.
Great. Thank you very
And
much.
Ratna, I'm really happy to see you. I recognize you from your voice, the way you used to be leading the parade and all,
Now,
and taking the roll call.
She's
Ratna,
talking
now
about you,
that
Ratna.
you have to continue with what
Ratna.
we.
Ratna Shroff.
No, you have to
Yes.
unmute yourself.
you are. But then you are very much junior, not to me.
I remember you, Nina, and all. You all were in one term, right? Saroj
Ratna.
Khatri was there. So I was.
She was, Kranti was 2 years junior to me. So,
Okay,
and Ratna
yeah.
was 2 years senior to me. So, yes, she was quite
Okay.
junior to you.
I
Whose
think
class was with Nina?
Whose
Sorry?
class were you in, Nina? Nina?
with
Remember
Sujata Chavan.
Kedar Luktuke, Sujata Chavan.
Yes,
Okay.
Yeah,
Suja-
he was
okay.
from
Sureka sir.
Dapoli, and Maitre had come to Dapoli. He had come to my place. So we know Maitre better. I mean,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
And this roll call used to happen that loud, na? So we remember everybody's full names also, no, name and the surname. So that
Okay.
order wise also I can see, remember the beds where the
Kranti is which batch?
I'm
Which
He's
batch?
junior to me.
83.
83
Okay.
10th.
I was there in 11th and 12th, so May. That's why. That's
Why you know them better.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why you know them better.
We were in the
sorry, I
same
don't
dorm.
remember.
And
I
that's
don't
how they
remember.
know Maitre, because Maitre passed out in 82, I think.
Yeah, Maitre was 1 year junior to me.
And
So
one more thing,
you
Ruchira,
passed
we
out
remember.
83?
I'm sorry,
1981.
You passed out 81.
Yeah,
Oh, and Maitre passed out in 82.
yeah. I remember you, but you were a day scholar. So I remember you, Jyoti, and Purnima Dhotre and all dancing.
Purnima
And we used
Junior.
to learn new steps from you all. And especially
Oh my
Purnima
God.
used to get these, from Bombay. She used to come with all this thing.
Bombay patch. And one thing we used to remember you, Ruchira and Maitre, you had a good height. So that is how we still remember you. Both of you had a good height.
Okay.
Maitre is also so tall. We used to look at him
Yes.
like this in the
That's
school
true.
time.
That's
Yeah.
true.
So one more suggestion I would bring in. I don't know how related you are or associated or connected with Lalit. What we can do is we can just suggest him to make a show for Sanjeevanites, and all the Sanjeevanites should contribute in the form of tickets, so that we don't have to worry about his orchestra kharcha and all that. And apart from that, whatever is remaining, we can, so it can be a show also. We can meet there as a get together, and we can meet all of us there, and we will be able to contribute to the show, and that we can take as a funds to Sanjeevan. So if that is possible, that could be a very fascinating idea. And of course, when it is an entertainment, people will certainly come, and we'll decide whether we have to open it for the public also, or only Sanjeevanites will contribute. Whatever.
I like this idea. I think what you should do is one day talk to Shashitai teacher. Just connect with her and just tell her this idea. It was there. It had been discussed with Shashitai teacher and Lalit. I had a talk with Lalit also, and this subject has been discussed earlier. But just tell her, or you can send her a message and revive the subject. I'm also going to tell her one of these days. That's good. Yes, Suhas.
The problem that would come, what I could foresee is how to transfer the funds that you generate to Sanjeevan. It will have to be kind of a donation only. It cannot be anything else. It cannot be a Sanjeevan function. And I don't know if you people are aware or not, latest is 18% GST is being charged on donations. So please consider all these aspects when you talk to Shashitai.
Yeah.
Same thing.
And Shashitai is against donation. That is what she has told me.
Yeah, Kranti, I know she told me that, but again on donations, 18% GST is being made applicable. Anything that comes to Sanjeevan has to be in the form of donation and no other way.
Okay, and one more thing you can do is Piyush Shah is officially handling the WhatsApp account of Sanjeevan. I will post his number here. Get in touch with Piyush Shah, because officially anything that you would like to convey to Shashitai teacher, instead of talking to her directly, you could communicate with Piyush Shah, sir, and he will definitely make sure that all the coordination is done with Sanjeevan. So Mandar, do get in touch with him, because everybody has the opinions, and the more the opinions reach the school, there will be more weight given to those particular ideas. There are a lot of nice ideas. I want to tell one of my ideas, but first let's have Nina. Nina is going to say something.
Yeah, I have a suggestion. I don't know, you may have considered it already, but like if you, this is regarding the taxes. If you form a kind of a trust or a foundation or something, and the process is not easy, and I don't know how quickly it can happen, but you can get tax exemption for being if it is a not-for-profit thing, you can get tax exemption. And you can save on that kind of money. And if you have anybody in the revenue department, probably, they can, any of the students, they can help. That's one suggestion.
Our school has the exemption. Our school has.
Yeah,
that.
we have the exemption, but again, like, if you have the show, the donation has to be made by a person or a trust. Unka PAN card वगैरह वगैरह सब लगता है. So do consider, I'm telling you since I'm there as an advisor to the school, I must advise people here also that consider all these things. It cannot be just by a group of people, because donation that comes has to be supported by a PAN card and things like that.
But could it not be that if Lalit organizes, so he will only donate the money?
But that's what I'm trying to say. But is he going to organize it as a group? What is the standing of that group? Because again, a person cannot donate more than 10% of his annual income, taxable income, as a donation. So do consider all these things.
So I have another thing to share. For this virtual run registration form we are building up, no? So in that we are tried to keep one field of extra donation. So there will be a payment gateway we are tied up with, and while registration, every participant has to pay the fees, for the t-shirt and a medal. But if they want to voluntarily pay more money for school as a donation, then that PAN card thing was going to come in picture. But then there is another option which that organization with whom we are going to work with, they had suggested that if all the money can come to them, and then they will at one stretch donate it to school. So I don't know how it's going to be practically done, but that was one way of it, one of the ways.
You may wish to talk to our CA. If you want, I can give his number.
Okay.
Because finally, he's the one who is going to clear everything.
Okay, what I want to say is I have put the number of the Sanjeevan Centennial Communications Group WhatsApp number. It is to be saved. Please save it on your mobile and keep communicating with the school, because the school is definitely welcoming all your communications. Don't hesitate. The more the communication, more the churning of the ocean, there will be more Amrit produced. So don't hesitate in communicating, and Piyush Shah is going to coordinate from that side. So all your ideas do communicate. Now I want to tell one of my ideas, which I am going to convert into reality. I am going to announce a photography competition for all the people, Sanjeevanites and their families. And the condition is that for every photograph entered into the contest, people will have to pay to the Sanjeevan Trust ₹200 for each entry. You can send 6 photographs or 8 photographs, that's not a constraint. There will be 3 categories. One category is the subjects, titles, is nature. So nature photographs you can enter, preferably in Sanjeevan premises. But if you are not going to Sanjeevan, you can still enter nature photographs for the contest. The second is going to be on portrait. So portrait is a person, a human being. You can take a photo of a child or your teacher or yourself or anybody, a selfie. So that is the second category. The third category is going to be architecture. Architecture is strictly for Sanjeevan architecture. So for entering your photos in architecture, you will have to physically go to Pachgadi and take photos there. So every photograph you enter, you will have to first pay to the trust ₹200. The details will be given, and all of these I'm going to appoint a judges committee of some good eminent photographers, and we are going to announce nice prizes: first prize, second prize, third prize. My ideal wish is that the prizes should be very attractive, and I am frankly looking for sponsors who will sponsor prizes. The sponsor should be able to sponsor 15 prizes. For each category, we want to give 5 prizes. First prize, second prize, third prize, and 2 consolation prizes. So total 15 prizes. If somebody can sponsor, we can promote their brand, we can promote their product. So please take this message seriously and do let me know if you can get me a sponsor. So the amount that we are looking for the sponsor could be anything like 20,000-25,000 or whatever the sponsor wishes. Okay. Any reactions to this? Any opinions? Any yes, no? Please let me know.
So my question is, okay.
Suhas.
Ruchira, please speak. Ruchira.
Suhas wanted to say. Suhas
Suhas.
wanted to say something.
All those people who are going to send even 200 rupees, their PAN card and a Xerox of their PAN card will be required.
All right. That's a good.
Otherwise, it will be difficult. That will be difficult otherwise for the Sanjeevan to take the amount on their accounts.
Yeah, a good point. You said earlier.
I think the first thing that needs to be done is either found some kind of a charitable trust where we can donate to school directly to that charitable trust,
The
so that we
school
don't have
has-
to pay the taxes, get tax
the
exemption.
school
on
has-
that.
the
The
school
second
has the registry.
is that either have that charitable trust or have an account where it can be collected and then it can be given to the school. So you need to have one place that people can pay to.
No, but the school
Sanjeevan
already has an
Vidyalaya is a
account which is
charitable
exempted.
trust. So one second, Sanjeevan Vidyalaya is a charitable trust and we have that exemption from the IT department to give you a donation receipt. That is not a problem.
Yeah.
But whatever you donate, you will have to give your PAN card and details and also the copy of your PAN card. That's all. Sanjeevan
Okay.
is a charitable trust.
Yes.
All right.
So, Suhas, please discuss this with Shashitai teacher also and let us take this to completion. I'm waiting for sponsors. Now,
No, there
tell
is
me, I want.
no requirement of discussing anything. These are the matters told to Shashitai, to us, everybody by the CA.
Yeah.
Any donation coming to the charitable trust has to be supported by a PAN card.
That is fine.
And again, I said it can't be more than 10% of your annual income.
Annual income. Yeah.
That is fine. That is fine. Now, just one opinion I need from you. Should I wait for getting the sponsors and getting the details of the prizes, or should I just launch the contest? We will say that very attractive prizes are going to be given and let us start with the contest. I thought that this would be the right thing to do. What are your opinions, please?
Yes, yes, you should start
Let's
off.
start your competition. There's no problem about it.
I think
Problem
so.
comes only when you have to transfer the money to Sanjeevan Trust account.
Yeah, and the photos are to be uploaded on my Facebook page. I have started a Facebook page, Sanjeevan Centennial Celebrations. Every entry, once you have paid the money, you have to send me the number, your receipt from the trust and the detail of your payment. After that, I will give you the permission and request you to upload on the Facebook page, Sanjeevan Centennial Celebrations. I think all of you must have seen my Facebook page, and I'm going to give the name here again, once again. But this is where they will upload. So there will be a lot of traffic on that page, and it will be shared. Whatever I have on my page, I have been sharing with both the Sanjeevan groups.
Okay. Kranti, you were talking about the week. You were talking about a week in Panchgani in January. Is that the event? Is
Yeah.
it going to be for 1 week?
Yeah, it's a virtual event where the duration of it is 1 week's time, so people can do it as per their convenience. But just last 2 days ago, Shashitai called up to modify it, because last 2 days we should be offering people who want to come to school and do it or be a part of that event can do it physically over there. So physically
You're talking about
organizing.
You're talking about a
Mhm.
virtual run. Exactly what do you mean by that?
A virtual run is during the pandemic, the mass gatherings were not allowed, and there were the running events on road were not allowed. So that's the concept came in about the virtual events. So people who were in their own homes and premises who can run in their neighborhoods could do the run. and it is monitored by the virtual satellite GPS. There is the app. Okay, so you have to have that app on your mobile phone. So Sanjeevan will be having one app of the run. It's not just a run for Sanjeevan, it is 100 minutes of activity. So whichever activity you are able to do if in 100 minutes, so that also you can do it in a breakup, you know, so that's why the duration of 1 week is given. So like 30 minutes one day you do swimming, cycling or whatever, or a running or a jog or a walk. So those activities you can do for 100 minutes all together.
You're breaking up.
Yeah.
I'm not having good connection. That's why I put off my video. So that is the fundamental of the, so we'll be having a registration platform online, and the payment is done online, and a participant enters all the details about his address and all, whatever activity they are going to do. And once the activity is completed, so that app will automatically take that into consideration. And based on that, the finisher's medal and a t-shirt will be couriered to the place of the address, whichever address is given. So that is a virtual run.
Kranti, why don't you post this somewhere? Post this, all these details somewhere so people can read and understand.
Yeah, but you know, I can't declare it right now because yet the that signing up of the contract is just done, but the form registration form is not yet ready, only because school has to send, and it is very slow, the response, you know. So like last 3-4 weeks we have been following up.
Keep
so
talking
the
to Piyush Shah, keep talking to him.
Piyush Shah was on leave, and he said he will be back, and then again he has to take the go through, you know, several permissions again, reach Shashita again all the time.
I understand it is going to take time. Now I have to come to a very important subject. Suhas, please hold on. I have to come to a very important announcement. I don't know if I can announce it, authorized, I don't know, but I have come to know from Umesh Trivedi that the government of India is releasing a postal stamp to commemorate the centenary of the great Hindu high school, which started first, and now it is Sanjeevan Vidyalaya. I think this is really a great honor brought to us, and we are very proud that we belong to a school which is 100 years old and which has received such unique honor. A government of the country releasing a postal stamp. Yes. I'm still, I have not heard it in, I have not seen it in black and white, but Umesh Trivedi has told me the function is going to be done at Sanjeevan on 5th of February. That is a Saturday. And please guys, pack your suitcases, book your journeys, take an Ola, take an Uber, and come to Sanjeevan for the ceremony. We are going to look for, somebody said Sudha Murthy, maybe chief guest. There should be a function in Sanjeevan, and if Sudha Murthy agrees, probably she is going to be one of the guests. We are avoiding politicians. We are going to get some nice, dignified and whatever, a very great, famous personality. Somebody like Sudha Murthy, really great. So let us all meet at Sanjeevan at that time. And there are 2 villas available. One is Gore's Villa. 20-25 people can stay there. Then one of my friends has a bungalow. 16 people can stay there very comfortably, 4-bedroom or 5-bedroom bungalow. There are many accommodations. I think Sanjay Pawar, SK Pawar has an accommodation. So all of us should really rush to Panchgani, 5th of February, note it in your calendar. And after this, I'm going to come to my great friend who has joined, Vishrani, Sunil. Sunil, please tell me what is the announcement regarding photography competition. Please talk about photography competition. That Sunil has agreed to be my team member.
Yeah, Deepak ji, before that, hi Sunil. I did not interrupt anybody. I always, when he entered the platform, I wanted to say hi immediately, but it would have been a distraction to our topic. And I've met Sunil. He's a, let me introduce him. He's a fantastic and well-established actor, especially theatre actor and in the Gujarati film industry. You must have seen him many a times on the television with so many advertisements. So please, instead of me telling, please brief about yourself, Sunil. Introduce yourself as an actor first, then come out with your ideas. Thank you for being here, Sunil.
Welcome. I am late because I was there for the shoot. And at present, I am in Kutch, Bhuj. Yeah, and I'm shooting for a very good Gujarati movie.
Okay.
So my background is of film, theater industry and film industry since last 35 years, and I've done many ad films, TV commercials, ad films जो है वो.
Please
फिर
name them, Sunil. Name few. तो
yeah,
समझ में
my
आएगा.
first ad was with Sania Mirza for Sprite. Then one of the famous ad is Tide, जिसमें वो छतरीमैन वाला जो ad था वो.
आपके शर्ट का वाइट हो जाता है, शर्ट का एक पैटर्न.
हाँ, yeah, right. Then I did an ad with Mr. Bachchan sir. It was for Force One
Why
car.
don't you post links of these ads on my group or send it to me? I'll post them. But send me the links to all these ads. उसका video हमको देखने का है.
Yeah, YouTube links I have got most of the ads. Then I've done many serials like Papad Pol, Lakshmi. Then one of the famous Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Yeah, I've done cameo roles in that. And I've done approximately cameo roles in 32 serials. Small roles जिसको हम बोलते हैं. जो beginners के लिए होता है ना, पहले छोटे रोल मिलते हैं, फिर धीरे धीरे बड़े रोल मिलते जाते हैं. Similarly, I've done cameo roles in Hindi films for about 22 Hindi films. Exactly figure अभी मुझे याद नहीं है, but it is around 2022. Then I've done Gujarati films 20. This is my 28th Gujarati film I am shooting for. I've done one Marathi film, one Telugu film, one Malayalam film, and so on.
Very good.
Theater was my background. I started with theater, so I have a very good experience of theater. I used to write, direct, then I used to give a music operation for theater, street plays, and intercollegiate competitions. I have made a documentary film which has won an award in International Gujarati Film Festival in New York. So that's it. This is my short introduction.
Good.
And I'd been to Panchgini last week.
Okay.
And I talked to Shashitai. She asked me how can you contribute? I said I'm part of the committee and I'm in touch with Mr. Fadnis regarding Deepak ji ke saath baat ho rahi hai for photography competition. And after the school gets started, everything gets renovated. Shashitai requested if we can make a short film about the school, the new look of the school. Once everything is done up, the setup, the renovation and everything is done. So I said, of course, we can do that. My team can be part of it. And of course, अभी मैं इसको बनगे को भी याद किया था वहाँ पे स्कूल में टीचर ने. और yeah, so this is it. And coming back to the topic, photographic competition,
yes.
As Deepak ji had suggested regarding the photographic competition. So the rules are being setting up, and we are in talks with the sponsors for a good sponsorship and discount coupons from Fuji Films, जिनका अभी Fuji cameras भी आ रहे हैं and digital equipments भी आ रही है Fuji के. So discount coupons also we are planning out. We are planning an photography workshop by Dr. Ritesh Patel, who talks about trail photography, night photography, and Milky Way photography. It's a unique photography workshop. Once the sponsors are finalized for the photography competition and the subjects are finalized, Deepak ji had suggested कि वो हम लोग photography school premises में ही करेंगे, but the experts suggested कि आप school मत रखो, कि whole Panchgini Mahabaleshwar. Why Panchgini Mahabaleshwar? So that they get a good वहाँ का जो पुराना मंदिर है, वहाँ की जो आर्किटेक्चर है, वो सब भी मार्केट प्लेस है, तो सब कवर करो. And participants, Sanjeevanites can explore with a different view. ऐसे घूमने जाते हैं पंचगिरी महाबलेश्वर, but photography के एंगल से जब देखेंगे तो they will find a lot of things. That's what they suggested, and I also thought so. So let's come back by say first week of December, first or second week, to announce this competition.
Yeah, I would target it for 1st December straight away. Whether prizes
Yeah.
are there or not, I will say, let us say attractive prizes will be given. I just asked the group.
Yeah,
They
correct.
said yes.
So I've
Excited.
made my Deepakji, myself being a commercial designer also, that's my
Right.
second business.
Right.
So I've made few of the graphics kind of things
Oh, great.
which can be presented on digital media like WhatsApp and Facebook. We can announce it.
अरे वाह वाह.
So recently I had been to Panchgini. So
हाँ,
वहाँ
हाँ.
के थोड़े photographs उसमें yeah
Okay.
डाल के
अरे वाह वाह
Yeah.
वाह. लोगो बना दिया, लोगो अपना कंपटीशन का लोगो बना दिया.
लोगो बना दिया है, but
Very
I'm
good.
still working on it. I'm looking out for 2-3 options.
Okay.
Then we can discuss in the committee group regarding that.
Great.
Kranti,
Okay.
can you
Perfect.
talk to
So
Kranti
nice.
for a minute?
Now anybody else? Now we have only
Can I
about
talk to
10
Kranti?
minutes. Tell me.
No, can I talk to Kranti for a minute?
Yeah, yeah.
Kranti, can you demute, please? Kranti.
Yes, 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 sir.
Yeah, Kranti, you know me, you have met me in Panchgani. Can you tell me exactly where you are stuck up so that I can talk to Shashitai tomorrow and see where you are stuck up? What is your problem?
My problem. It's see they have given the master sheet, and then we have to finalize that. Now let's upload it on the internet, and let's declare the event has begun. Not the event has begun. It is going to. We have to give that link to all the participants. I mean, everywhere we have to declare it, and so that people can come and register.
You
So
mean
that has not happened.
you just want Shashita is okay to post it on the internet? Is that so?
Yeah. I don't know what is the delay because Piyush.
I'll talk to her tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll ask her what is the problem like.
And Suhas,
And,
I would request that you get some person who's a Sanjeevan representative nominated for the event. So anybody has any
I'll talk to
difficulty,
Shashita. I'll
they
talk
should
to
be
her.
able to contact that person and get all his difficulties resolved.
I'll talk to Shashita directly. I don't have to talk to anybody else.
Yes.
I have open line with her. There's no problem for me. I don't have to talk to anybody else. I'll talk to her, ask her what is the problem. And let's see. Krantiji, you post your number. I'll get back to you.
Yeah, I
Yes,
have
Neena.
one suggestion to Kranti. Since from Sanjeevan, there is a concentration of former students in certain cities, especially in Maharashtra, Pune, Bombay, Kolhapur. There are a lot of students from there. So the virtual event, your virtual event, I think can also be, can be little more concrete by these 3-4 cities. If all the students come together,
Yeah.
that will be, it will be visibly also like a group comes together, and so you can give lead to somebody in, or I mean, like that's the way. Even for the, like, my suggestion is for the entire committee. Probably you're already doing it, but each of these cities, if you have a group who's connecting with different, I mean, all the other students, it will be much more easier to spread the word and get everybody involved. So
Yeah, but many may not be doing one. That will be, they will have to come together multiple times, because 100 minutes, if a person is not into fitness, then 100 minutes at one go, they won't do it, So
like
that
we
is,
do,
but that's a really good idea. I mean, see, whoever is interested in doing it together at that location, they should gather and then post it, post the pictures or videos about it.
Yeah, this is what I have just typed, an idea of a local chapter for the marathon run during that period. Somebody, now you are in Sangli. So Sangli, if there are 10 Sanjeevanites in Sangli, they can say, let us collect at that Kargil Chowk and start our running at that time and post photographs. There should be, the idea is to generate news, and if we generate more news about
Yes.
Sanjeevan.
And for that reason only, Shashitai has, told the organizer that the T-shirts should be distributed much before the event, so that everybody will have received T-shirt before they start the run. So they will wear those Sanjeevan t-shirts and run.
Right.
Otherwise, these virtual runs are like you have to submit your entry. I mean, whatever activity you have done, then it gets verified, and then the medal and the t-shirt is couriered to you.
Then
So
the t-shirt
for
should be
Sanjeevan, it's not the case.
t-shirt design should be immediately made known, and the price and
So
how
for
to
that
order.
reason only all those things are still in, not yet addressed, and that's how
Yeah.
I think that the delay is going to be there, and it's going to be taking 6 weeks period for sending the couriers. So we have to start very quickly now, because
And,
abroad also they have to send, no?
Just one thing, Kranti, Ranjana Rajput is here. Ranjana is our batch, and she was very good in sports too. I mean, she always got all the medals. So, and she has her own gym in Bombay. So you might want to, Ranjana can, and you
Sure.
can connect.
So yeah, you
for
can
something
share
in
me your
Bombay.
number, please.
Anjana, please come on video and you unmute yourself. Hello, Ranjana, are you listening to us? Hello, are you on there?
Yeah, she's there.
Yeah, hi everyone.
Please unmute yourself.
Hi, Ranjana.
On your video camera.
I don't know, it's not starting my video camera, but as Nina said, fitness wise, yes, I'm there. Anything help is needed, we can help. And my son is into fitness. So if anyone wants to hold classes or something, Zoom class, he can hold for some like 1 or 2 classes, because he does it online at a large scale. So he can also help us out. My son is Kunal Rajput. So he is totally into online classes. And I think he has a big audience for us. Where I think even if he puts up a banner or something up for his classes, we can advertise, and he can help into fitness to many people who wants. I'll give his whatever details you all want. I can just put it on Instagram. It goes by the name of Movement.
Yes, good.
Yeah,
Good.
unlock.
Yes, Ranjana, very nice ideas. What I would suggest is that we have so many fora where we can post this. Write down your thoughts, post them on Only Sanjeevanites group, or post them on my Sanjeevan Centennial Celebrations page. So we can remain in constant communication, and people can give their ideas, their inputs, they can copy, paste and share the material. So do keep it on any good social media platform. And Suhas, I want you to make a note that in Sanjeevan, somebody, a very responsible sir, has to be made in charge of promotion for every event which people are planning. It needs promotion, it needs advertising, it needs publicity, sometimes with payment, sometimes without payment. But if you have a team, and you should get people, Sanjeevanites who are in various cities, make them as a member, a promotion committee, promotion team headed by a teacher from Sanjeevan, and make people members of the promotion committee and give them jobs of promoting the events. Every event should be promoted. So ask, please take this message.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll talk to Shashikali, and possibly the best person is Mr. Deshmukh. No teacher, there are hardly, there are very few old teachers there. Mr. Deshmukh is a very old teacher and the principal of the school.
Right.
Possibly he could take on this responsibility.
All right, very good idea. Okay, last 2 minutes. After that, the meeting will stop forever. I've stopped. And I don't think we want to meet once again.
I can collaborate with Kranti for whatever it is. I can collaborate with Kranti and go ahead with whatever help she needs.
Guys,
Sure, thank you.
I'll forward you a number, Ranjana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On some social media.
Mandar, thank you very much. Very lovely to see you again here. I
thank you very
remember
much,
you as a,
Thank you,
junior,
everybody. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Kranti, we are connected
Just
on
one thing, Deepak ji,
One
1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes.
Since I'm in the US, I had said I can contact people here, our students here, but I still haven't received the numbers or any contact information list. I had spoken to Kalpana, but I still haven't received it. So if somebody else is doing it, it's fine. But if you want me to do it, if you can send me the list. I can contact people here.
Yeah, okay. You can contact Piyush Shah. Was Sanjeevan number what I had put on the screen, you remember?
Okay.
No,
Okay.
Sanjeevan Centennial Communications.
Okay.
That number, you can communicate with Sir Piyush
Him.
Shah. It's
Okay.
77988
Yeah, I have it here.
8161. Okay,
Yeah.
great.
All right.
Yeah, and the problem with Piyush Shah is he's a teacher also over there for IT.
Yeah,
ICT he teaches and internet and then school related all IT stuff also he has to do. And
yes.
in addition to that, all these things, so
Yeah.
he gets overwhelmed about it. And they really need one dedicated staff who knows the history of the school also. We can't hire a new guy. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have to have somebody from school dedicatedly for the centenary.
Correct,
So
correct.
that we have
So
to
I was
do.
I am in the process